Hello friends, through this video we shall learn to solve the questions given in exercise 3.3 from question number 7 to question number 12, and these questions are related to various properties of a parallelogram. Let us begin with question number 7. The adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures x, y and z. Also state the property you use to find them. Since quadrilateral HOPE is a parallelogram as given in question, so angle x will be equal to angle HOP. Why? Because these are opposite angles of the parallelogram. But angle HOP and 70 form a linear pair of angles, and therefore their sum will be 180 degree, and this gives the value of this angle HOP as 110. So the value of x will also be 110, क्योंकि जितना एंगल ये होगा उतना ही एंगल ये होगा. अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इक्वल होते हैं. नाउ EH is parallel to PO and HP is a transversal, so Y is equal to 40. Why? Because these are alternate interior angles which are equal when the lines are parallel. So Y will be 40 degree. अब हमें ट्रायंगल HOP में Y मालूम हो गया, एंगल HOP मालूम हो गया. सो थर्ड एंगल Z निकालने के लिए हम एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. इन ट्रायंगल HOP वी कैन राइट एंगल Z प्लस एंगल Y प्लस एंगल this which is equal to 110 is equal to 180 and get the answer of Z. या हम दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी भी यूज कर सकते हैं जो कि ट्रायंगल की एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी है. दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल फॉर दिस ट्रायंगल एंड फॉर दिस एक्सटीरियर एंगल angle Y and angle Z are interior opposite angles and therefore their sum will be equal to 70 degree. So exterior angle POF will be equal to Y plus Z. This is 70, this is 40, so this gives Z is equal to 30 degree. आप किसी भी तरीके से Z की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. Now question number 8. The following figures GUNS and RUNS are parallelograms. Find X and Y. In the figure it is given that this is 26 centimeter, this is 18 centimeter, this is 3x and this is 3y minus 1 centimeter. As we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal in lengths, and therefore since GUNS is a parallelogram and therefore opposite sides will be equal, that is 3y minus 1 will be equal to 26 and 3x will be equal to 18. This gives y is equal to 9 and this gives x is equal to 6. These are the required answer here. Similarly, RUNS is a parallelogram and these are the diagonals. Since diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, so SO is equal to UO and RO is equal to NO. This gives SO is 20 and UO is y plus 7. So this gives y is equal to 20 minus 7, that is 30. This is a simple equation which is to be solved for y. Similarly, RO is 16 and NO is x plus y, and where y is 13. So putting the value of y as 13, we get x equal to 3. These are the required answer. Now question number 9. In the given figure, both risk RISK and CLUE are parallelograms. Find x. This is the x. Since RISK is a parallelogram and therefore KR will be parallel to SI, and KS is a transversal and therefore angle K will be equal to angle ISU, that is this angle. Since this is 120 degree, so this is also 120 degree because of corresponding angles. Now angle ISU plus ISE form a linear pair. So their sum will be 180, out of which this is 120. So this gives angle ISE as 60 degree. This is 60 degree, which has been named as angle OSE. Again CLUE, that is CLUE, is a parallelogram where angle L is 70 degree, so its opposite angle, that is OES, will also be 70 degree. Now in triangle OES, angle OES plus angle OSE plus angle X will be 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. Here angle OES is 70 and angle OSE is 60 degree. So putting these values in this equation, we get x as 50 degree. This is the required answer. Now question number 10. Explain how this figure is a trapezium. Which of its two sides are parallel? हमें यहाँ पर ये बताना है कि ये फिगर ट्रेपेजियम कैसे है, क्यों है, और ट्रेपेजियम है तो इसकी कौन सी साइड्स पैरेलल है. Since this is a quadrilateral such that angle L plus angle M is equal to 80 plus 100 is equal to 180, showing that interior angles on the same side of the transversal. This is a transversal for these two lines. So these two angles are interior angles on the same side whose sum comes out as 180 degree, or we can say that the adjacent angles of this parallelogram, this quadrilateral is 180. So we can say that NM is parallel to KL, because the sum of these two angles is 180 by the property of two lines and a transversal for them. If interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, then lines are parallel, and therefore NM will be parallel to KL. Since only one pair of this quadrilateral is parallel, so this is trapezium by definition. Question number 11. Find measure of angle C. In figure, if AB is parallel to CD. Here we will use the properties of parallel lines intersected by a transversal. Since AB is given parallel to DC and BC is a transversal, and therefore angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Angle B is 120 degree as given here. So we get the value of C as 60 degree. That is, measure of angle C is 60 degree. It is the easiest problem of this exercise. Now question number 12. Find the measure of angle P and angle S if SP is parallel to RQ. ये प्रॉब्लम भी क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 से मिलती जुलती प्रॉब्लम है, जहाँ पर दो पैरेलल लाइंस दी हुई हैं. इन दो पैरेलल लाइंस को RS भी इंटरसेक्ट करती है, ये भी एक ट्रांसवर्सल का काम कर रही है, और PQ भी ट्रांसवर्सल का काम कर रही है. यहाँ पर दिस इज ए सिंबल फॉर 90 डिग्री. इट मीन्स एंगल R is 90 degree and angle Q is 130 degree, and we have to calculate angle S and angle P. Since in this quadrilateral PQRS angle R is 90 degree, Q is 130 degree, and SP is parallel to RQ, and therefore angle Q plus angle P is equal to 180 by this region. Q is 130, so P is 50 degree. Now we have three angles of this quadrilateral. This is 90, this is 130, and this is 50 degree. So we can calculate angle S using angle sum property of the quadrilateral, which says that the sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Using this relation, we can calculate the value of S as 90 degree here. इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. उम्मीद है कि आपने मेरे द्वारा दिए गए एक्सप्लेनेशंस को समझा होगा. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद वीडियो देखने के लिए.